It is a huge explosion, which burned the command post of the armed forces of Ukraine, in the Glukhov city in the Sumy region, to ashes as shown in footage published by the Russian Defense Ministry, on August 20, 2024. Russian reconnaissance units reported the presence of the elite Ukrainian command post Magura, the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade, formed according to NATO standards near the Russian border. It is reported that several attacks on Kursk were coordinated from here. On the night of that day, the multifunctional supersonic fighter bomber Su-34 of the Russian Air Force launched its attack using modern aerial bombs with universal glide and correction modules, which have never failed to perform their tasks. The consequences were very significant. The military facility was completely eliminated by the explosion, accompanied by a huge fire, with a lot of smoke rising. The ammunition and weapons depot in the command post area was completely destroyed in a sudden strike, giving no chance for officers, commanders and soldiers to evacuate the site. The secondary explosion appeared to be more powerful than the primary one, indicating that the place was also used as a storage facility for a large amount of ammunition, and now has been depleted. After aerial reconnaissance confirmed that the target was completely burned, the aircraft returned safely to the departure airfield.